Is 15 Solana enough to make you rich? Right guys, today we're going to be covering Solana, which has become one of my favorite tokens, if not the favorite, as right now could be a very big opportunity to be accumulating Solana for the upcoming bull run that we all know is going to happen. So if you're not holding any Solana, make sure to stick around till the end of the video, as we're going to be checking out its price, how it's been behaving, as well as some news about Bitcoin and the ETFs. So if you're not holding any Solana, like I said, make sure to stick around, as we will be giving you the best alpha that you will find on YouTube. And with that being said, before actually getting into the crypto market, if you want some more exclusive alpha, I do have to say guys that I have an opportunity for you guys, and that is our private Discord that you'll get access through our Patreon. And here we will be giving you guys some meme coins, some altcoins that will be some easy access, right? We'll be finding them before anyone else finds them. So yeah, and as you guys can see here, we called some injective meme coins. As you guys can see, we called Cheems before it doubled or tripled. I think it 5x or something like that. And overall, right, if you want some exclusive alpha that we will not be giving on YouTube, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below, where you'll get access to our private Discord. But yeah, with that being said guys, let's get into the video. And as you guys can see, the crypto market is looking pretty bloody, right? Pretty red. It's looking pretty bearish. Most notably, Clayton is down 25%. It fell off a cliff, as you guys can see. And overall, it's not just Clayton. Bonk is down. Terra Classic is down. Solana itself is also down, and we will be getting into that soon. And overall, right, the whole crypto market is looking pretty bad for the day, that is, obviously, and it is looking pretty bearish. And that is in great part due to Bitcoin's kind of regression here of roughly 7-8%. When looking at it, yeah, it's 6-7%. Nothing crazy, right? Nothing crazy. It could be linked to the Bitcoin ETF news. Overall, it is minor. It is a minor setback, it's a minor regression, which I would look at as an opportunity, right? You can get into some of these altcoins at a very cheap price right now, and in my opinion, right now is a great accumulation period for Solana, as this is it's below $100, and the next time it's gonna be below $100 could not be anytime soon, in my opinion. Like right now, it can fall deeper, but it's a waiting game, right? And right now is not a bad time to buy Solana at all, in my opinion. Like if it crosses the $95 line, which I doubt it will, in my opinion, right? Like getting to the 80 and the 85s of the world, overall I think it's highly unlikely. If you ask me, right now it can either drop to like 95 or 80 and then immediately jump, or it can just go up as well, right? But overall it depends on what Bitcoin is doing and on Bitcoin's dominance. And in my opinion, right now, any way you look at it, is a decent accumulation period for Solana, if not good, right? As this is a token with a lot of momentum, which I have found to be a really good pattern when looking at tokens, as it could continue moving diagonally, right? Looking at the bigger picture, obviously, like, it did have, even in this trajectory, it did have some bearish moments, but in my opinion, right now is just moving in a diagonal line. And yeah, the breakthrough and the correction were bound to happen. But overall, in my opinion, right now is a pretty good accumulation period, as it will go diagonal. Obviously, like, that's not financial advice, that's just my opinion. And looking at Solana's price right now, like I said, it's at below $100 at $99.62. The market cap is $42.8 billion, and the volume is at 5.5 billion as well. It's actually up 47.8%. So people are trading, people are overall they're active, right? They're very active. And yeah, looking at Bitcoin's price as well, it did have the major regression, like I said. I mean, it's not really major, but it's more than we have seen in a while, right? And overall for me, I'm aiming for a $50 Bitcoin by the end of January, and that should happen, especially with the ETF news. I think once they die down, it's gonna continue going bearish, as well, as this is something that kind of shook up the crypto market. Obviously, they got like rejected for the month of January, like you all know if you've been following crypto news. And yeah, in my opinion right now, people are still bullish, right? People are still bullish on Solana. Some people are bearish. Sol will very soon go down to zero. I highly doubt that will happen, but at the end of the day, everyone has their own opinion. But overall, more people are bullish than bearish, as you guys can see. And like I said, with the momentum that Solana does have, it's highly unlikely, in my opinion, that it will break out of this diagonal kind of movement and this diagonal pattern that it is holding right now, because at the end of the day it is holding that pattern, and for the long term or for the next couple of months, in my opinion, you're not gonna have any lower prices than what it is right now, right? That's just my opinion. And yeah, with that being said, let's check out this article that says Bitcoin ETF, is it priced in, right? And as you guys know, there has been some major news regarding that. Analysts are split on whether the long-awaited approval of a Bitcoin ETF will hold BTC's movement or pump the cryptocurrency even higher. And yeah, obviously some in the crypto think the answer is yes on whether is it already priced in, right? Whether the ETF is already priced in. It's been over 2 months of non-stop gains for BTC, fueled almost entirely by excitement surrounding a Bitcoin ETF's imminent approval. At this point, with the cryptocurrency as at near double its price in October, how much more juice could possibly be left to squeeze? Obviously, guys, like for Bitcoin, you're never gonna make a 100x on Bitcoin. Like everyone knows this. Its market cap is so high, but it is the coin that controls the entire crypto market, right? That's the thing, and that's why this ETF is so important, as tiny news like this is something that really changed the crypto market. And yeah, but many diehard Bitcoin advocates are emphatic that the event hasn't even been priced in, meaning that in their opinion, BTC is poised to rocket even further upwards if and when Bitcoin ETF is approved in the coming weeks. A Bitcoin ETF would long last give traditional retail investors an easy way to gain exposure to BTC, no crypto exchanges or wallets needed. But the SEC has rejected every proposal for such a product over the last 10 years, pointing to the potential for market manipulation in Bitcoin as the primary reason. Now, this has been said many times, even in the Cathy Wood video. One of the guys there actually did say it, but in my opinion, it holds no weight, right? It's very hard to manipulate a decentralized project with that big of a market cap, and overall, like, it's a very foolish way to look at it, right? It's a very uneducated way to look at crypto. Like, people from the traditional background look at crypto as this kind of unsafe, uncertain area that you can get into, that just consists of luck. Well, that's not the case, in my opinion, at least. But that was then, and BlackRock is now, and the Wall Street Titans entry into the Bitcoin ETF race means it's finally going to happen, most analysts say. All signs point in the direction of an approval, which could then lead to a wave of fresh capital entering the market. It's the reason some traders and analysts are so bullish and expect a near immediate impact on BTC's price following the SEC's green light. Such predictions tend to center on a belief that even taking recent gains into account, a substantial portion of the market has not been able to process the importance of a Bitcoin ETF approval, which some experts predict will change Bitcoin forever by integrating the digital asset into the global economy. And that's perfectly said, right? And why am I telling you this in a Solana video? Obviously, guys, you know that when Bitcoin pumps, the crypto market pumps as well, and Solana is one of those altcoins that's a really high market cap, right? So a 100x, a 200x is very hard, but a 10x, a 5x is very possible, and Solana is a whole ecosystem, right? And in my opinion, it can like 10x definitely, right? For more, we'll see, obviously, but for 10x, it definitely can do it in the long run. But anyways, like, even then, Solana's ecosystem is so massive, with so many altcoins, with so many meme coins and everything in between, that this project has so much potential, right? And in my opinion, right now is the best accumulation period You can also wait for the crypto market to kind of die down as well a little bit in the upcoming days, but I would accumulate right now. But with that being said, guys, let me know what you think about Solana. Where do you stand? Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Are you holding any tokens? And yeah, let me know your thoughts on the crypto market as well as the spot or as well as the ETFs with Bitcoin. Let me know all of that and more in the comments down below. As always, I love talking to you today, and peace.